Hello and welcome to my channel. The videos that you are likely to see here are around the basics of Bitcoin.
Cryptocurrency is changing the way South Africans shop. Pick n Pay customers are buying more than 1 million rands worth of groceries using crypto on a monthly basis. Luno said it has processed more than 3 million rands worth of crypto payments through the Luno Pay feature since it launched in September 2023. This suggests that South Africans are increasingly using crypto for payments, not only viewing it as an investment. The average basket size for purchases on Luno Pay is 370 rands, and the largest basket to date was 10,000 rands.
The use cases for crypto payments are growing, but they are still on the fringes of the traditional financial system. If people have crypto, there's a good chance they may want to spend it without having to exit the crypto ecosystem by selling their crypto and sending the money to a bank account. Money Badger has developed a payments channel between vendors and licensed exchanges including Luno, allowing payments to be cleared almost instantly. They help people use crypto the same way they would other forms of money. We want to make it convenient and simple for people to use their crypto and to create a market of merchants that accept crypto as crypto adoption continues to grow. So could the case for being able to use crypto to pay? Cryptocurrency is increasingly being treated as more than just an investment.
As crypto adoption grows, so does its use as real money. The future of payments is here. Would you rather use your Bitcoin to buy groceries at the shop or to buy land and property? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, like, comment and share, and much love.
Remember, when it comes to making money online, you must always do your own research first and use reputable companies. This is not financial advice. Thank you.